Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to increase sound system on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, when watching movies, listening to podcasts or playing games, higher volume levels enhance the audio effects, dialogue and soundtrack, providing a more immersive experience. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device and then scroll down. So, select sounds and vibration. Well, and on this page, scroll a little bit and select sound quality and effects option. After that, turn this toggle on. Not only that, you can set it for many kinds of media like movie, music, and voice. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to increase sound system on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.